Thinking about replacing your car with a cargo e-bike? Whether you're hauling groceries, carrying the kids, making deliveries, or just want a smarter way to get around, the right cargo e-bike can completely transform your daily rides. In this video, we've rounded up the 8 best cargo e-bikes of 2026, comparing their hauling power, range, comfort, and overall value so you can choose the perfect one with confidence. Be sure to stay until the end. Our number 1 pick stands out for all the right reasons. Let's get into it. This is Ride Nexus. Top 8 Best Cargo E-Bikes. Number 8. Rad Power Bikes Rad Runner. Much of the Rad Runner's beauty lies in its simplicity. This bike won't overwhelm you with too many buttons, levers, knobs, or features. It uses a straightforward color display for showing the battery charge level and pedal assist setting. It also has a single-speed drivetrain, so there's no shifting required. Just choose your power level and start pedaling, or twist the throttle. This setup means you can spend more time focusing on your surroundings instead of looking down at a simple user interface. Doesn't mean the bike sacrifices elsewhere. The bike's 750-watt motor provides an approachable level of power that's effective in moving up to 320 lbs of total payload capacity. Rad claims a total of 330 possible accessory combinations, allowing riders to haul a child passenger, a pet, a load of groceries, or whatever else your heart desires. The handling is a nice mix of stable and playful. The shorter wheelbase makes it feel snappy, but the wide 3.3 tires ensure it doesn't feel twitchy. We're also big proponents of the feel that BMX-style handlebars bring. We appreciated the Rad Runner's overall utility as well as its comfortable, upright riding position and crisp, predictable handling. On top of that, the bike sells for a remarkably affordable $1,500, making it one of the best value purchases on this list. If you're looking for a safe, affordable, and straightforward short-tail cargo bike, the Rad Runner checks all 3 boxes. Number 7. Aventon Abound SR. While we already discussed the full-length Aventon Abound, the short-tail or short-rack SR model offers riders a ton of versatility while including fresh, high-tech security features and customization options. The Abound SR features a highly sensitive and responsive 750-watt rear hub motor with a torque sensor, giving the bike an active and rewarding feel. It also includes a high-capacity 36-volt, 708-watt-hour battery that nests and locks electronically in the bike's heavily reinforced down tube. An electronic lock, you might ask. This is one of many benefits of the bike's central brain. A smart module called the Aventon Control Unit, or ACU, includes security features such as a kickstand lock, GPS tracking, and geofencing. It also allows users to tune the motor's output once the bike is paired with the Aventon app. Many of these features are courtesy of the included 4G chip. This service is free for 1 year. Beyond that, it requires a highly affordable subscription fee of $2 monthly or $20 annually. As a short-tail cargo option, the Abound SR handles much more like a regular bike than a full-size cargo e-bike while offering much of the same utility. The bike has a total payload capacity of 440 liters BS, up to 143 pounds on its rack, and is compatible with a wide range of cargo and passenger accessories. We highly recommend the Abound SR to those seeking a functional, extremely secure, and impressively high-tech e-bike with a natural pedal experience. Number 6. Tern Quick Haul Long D9. The Tern Quick Haul Long D9 is a premium cargo option geared towards city dwellers and those who prefer an exceptionally natural, reserved pedaling experience. The bike features relatively lightweight construction, where most of the other models on this list weigh upwards of 80 or 90 lbs. The Quick Haul Long comes in at a comparatively featherlight 65 liters BS. This makes it more nimble on the go and more easily managed when dealing with vehicle racks or flights of stairs when compared to many other bikes of its kind, unlike most other e-bikes on the market. It also stands vertically for storage, so its footprint can be reduced to that of a large potted plant. In case that didn't sink in, let me repeat: it stands vertically. The D9 hosts a premium 250-watt Bosch cargo line motor, providing responsive pedal assist with an active feel. With 20 wheels and a low total weight, it feels more like a city bike or a commuter than a cargo e-bike. This combination makes it suitable for hauling kids and cargo, but also makes it effective as a leisure or exercise bike. It's really that versatile. It also lives up to its name. The Quick Haul Long D9 gave us one of the best range test results among all cargo e-bikes we've tested. Thanks to its efficient motor and external 500 watt-hour battery pack, this is a different kind of cargo e-bike for those who enjoy a helpful amount of pedal assist, but don't want the motor to overpower the ride. We give the Quick Haul Long D9 2 very solid thumbs up. Number 5. Flyer Ver Pro. With a shortened brand name on the down tube and a black paint job, it's easy to miss that the Flyer Ver Pro is made by Radio Flyer. That's right, the same 100-plus-year-old brand known for its iconic red wagon now. Instead of carrying the kids, or anything else, around on 4 wheels, the Ver Pro allows you to do it with just 2. We think Flyer knocked this one out of the park. It's a solid and stable ride with excellent performance, a high weight capacity, and plenty of unique optional accessories. A powerful 750-watt motor helped the Ver Pro climb our test hill with ease. And it's this feature that makes it an effective cargo hauler. We were happy to experience the responsive ride that resulted from the Via's torque sensor, but users who want a bit more help can switch to a cadence sensing mode through the Flyer app. The Ver Pro boasts a 400 liters BS weight limit and includes passenger accessories such as footboards and seat pads. The kid and cargo carrier hoop is a bonus that keeps your precious cargo safe and contained. The bike is also compatible with optional extras like a soft passenger/cargo compartment and canopy, as well as baskets, covers, etc. Number 4. Specialized Globe Haul LT. Due to its status as a global brand with decades of experience making analog and electric bikes, we always have high expectations for specialized models. The Globe Haul LT met and exceeded those expectations across the board when we put it through our series of standardized, real-world performance tests. It's one of the best e-bikes we've tested, period. It features a peppy and powerful 700-watt hub motor paired with a torque sensor. This combination made riding the LT one of the smoothest, most responsive, and simply fun pedal experiences we've enjoyed. It also climbed our strenuous test hill with ease, earning one of the fastest times we have ever recorded. The Haul LT also gave us one of the longest range test results we've seen, with a maximum real-world range of well over 100 miles. With that much power, plus a total payload capacity of 441 liters BS, 176 on the rack, and the ability to carry up to 6 of specialized hard-shell panniers, this bike is designed to haul. It also fits an exceptionally wide range of riders from 4'5" to 6'4", ensuring that nearly anyone can ride the bike while experiencing comfort and proper leg extension for efficient pedaling. We also liked its gel saddle, wide handlebars, and low-strain pedal-forward design. With fun handling, a smooth and easy ride, and an extremely high weight capacity, we highly recommend the Globe Haul LT as a premium cargo e-bike option. Number 3. Rad Power Bikes Radwagon 5. The Radwagon has been a tried and true cargo hauler for years, so we were excited to see it receive many of the same updates Rad applied to their newest generation of e-bikes. In addition to a refreshed design, this version of the bike features a more powerful motor and a more responsive ride while maintaining an impressive payload capacity with its extended rack. The bike can move up to 375 pounds worth of people, groceries, or any other gear you might need to carry. In true Rad fashion, it's compatible with a wide variety of accessories. The brand's website offers 48 at the time of writing, such as cargo baskets, child seats, panniers, pet carriers, side mirrors, and plenty more. We were extremely pleased with the bike's torque sensor and upgraded 750-watt motor. The increased torque allowed it to climb our test hill confidently, while the torque sensor gave the ride a much more natural feel when compared to the Radwagon 4. As with all of Rad's latest e-bikes, the Radwagon 5 includes a potted and thermal-resistant Safe Shield battery and is UL certified. It also includes additional safety features such as rear turn signals and powerful hydraulic disc brakes to enhance riding in any weather conditions. Number 2. Aventon Abound LR. What do you get when you combine a sturdy step-through frame, a 4G chip, a responsive motor, and a high-capacity cargo rack? The Abound LR, of course. As Aventon's second-generation long-tail cargo e-bike, the Abound LR received a full redesign and a host of high-tech upgrades. Most notable is the inclusion of the ACU or Aventon Control Unit, a smart module that gives riders precise control over the bike's security and motor output. Once paired with the Aventon app, users can set up a motion detection/alarm system, lock the bike's kickstand, and unlock/eject the battery from the down tube. Additionally, the integrated 4G chip allows for location tracking via GPS, remote disabling of the bike in the event of theft, and the establishment of geofencing boundaries that limit where the bike can or cannot be ridden. On top of these security features, which are nearly unheard of on an e-bike priced around $2,000, the Abound LR has everything we look for in a cargo bike. Its cast aluminum frame is sturdy even when loaded up, thanks to an internal system of reinforcement. Additionally, its 750-watt motor delivers ample power responsively due to an adaptive torque sensor. The Abound includes a handful of useful starter accessories, such as wheel guards, footboards, and a locking storage compartment. Once decked out with other cargo or passenger accessories, it can make a real workhorse for delivery gigs or a trusty mule for family rides around town. Number 1. Lectric Expedition 2. The Expedition 2 from Lectric is simply one of the most effective and budget-friendly cargo e-bikes on the market. It has 3 pricing tiers starting from $1,399. The base model includes a single 624 watt-hour battery. The mid-tier option adds a second 624 watt-hour battery and goes for $1,699. Finally, the top-tier model has a price of $1,999 and includes 2 long-range 840 watt-hour power packs. Each model features a variety of accessories to enhance its functionality. These range from basics like seat pads and footboards for the rear cargo rack to more coveted extras like a suspension seat post, 5A fast charger, and orbiter handrail attachment. Regardless of battery capacity, the bike can carry 300 liters BS on its cargo rack with a 450 liters BS payload capacity. The Expedition can move so much weight effectively thanks to its 750-watt rear hub motor with 1,310 watt of peak output and 85 nanometer of torque. The motor is paired with a torque sensor that allows it to dish out more power when the rider pedals harder, but Lectric's custom PWR Plus programming ensures that the bike can keep moving even with relaxed pedaling. We like the overall stiffness of the Expedition 2's sleek frame as well as the comfort of its suspension fork. The ride was spirited and fun thanks to the torque sensor and the bike's maximum speed of 28 miles per hour. We'd recommend sticking with the slower Class 2 mode when carrying kids or cargo. With such a great foundation plus extras such as turn signals, a color display, and an adjustable stem, we think the Expedition 2 is just too good to pass up. And that's our list of the top 8 best cargo e-bikes of 2026. Which cargo e-bike fits your lifestyle the best? Drop your favorite in the comments, we'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth e-bike reviews, comparisons, and buying guides designed to help you make the right choice. Thanks for watching us.